Understanding gender interests and needs. I'm sure you have heard the news. Gender is a hot topic these days, and for good reason. Gender is a lot more complex than just male and female. It's a spectrum that encompasses a wide range of identities and expression. This complexity is what makes our world so rich and diverse. Let's explore what that really means. Understanding gender goes beyond just knowing the terms. It involves recognizing the life experience of people. Gender influences so many aspects of our lives, from the toys we played with as kids to the careers we choose as adults. Think back to your childhood. The toys you were given often reflected societal expectation of gender. Boys might have been given action figures and trucks, while girls received dolls and kitchen sets. This early experience can shape our interests and even influence the careers we pursue late in life. But here's the twist: it's not just about biology. Culture, society, and even personal experience shape our interests and needs too. Personal experience also play a huge role. Our individual journeys, the people we meet, and the challenges we face all contribute to shaping who we are. Think about it. Why do some people love sports while others prefer arts? It's not just about gender, it's about how society views gender roles and expectations. Society often dictates what is considered appropriate for each gender. For instance, men are often encouraged to be strong and competitive, while women might be nudged toward nurturing roles. But guess what? These stereotypes are slowly breaking down. Today we see men becoming nurses and women excelling in engineering, and that's awesome because everyone should follow their passion, right? Now let's talk needs. Basic needs like food, water, and shelter are universal, but emotional and social needs can vary. For instance, women might seek more emotional support, while men could be looking for respect and recognition. And this varies from person to person. So what does this all mean? Simple: be yourself, challenge stereotypes, and embrace your unique interests and needs. Because at the end of the day, gender is just one part of the beautiful, complex puzzle that makes you you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more thought provoking content.